Here's a few more interesting facts about the Jetsons. In the show, the mother, Jane Jetson, is said to be 33 years old. Her eldest child, Judy, is 15. That means Jane wasn't much older than Judy when she gave birth to her. Interesting. In 2012, after catching wind of a Jetsons movie project being considered, Kanye West let it be known that being a huge Jetsons fan, he wanted to be involved, not only for the musical score, but also in terms of the look and feel of the film. That movie was never made. People have wondered, given the success of the Flintstones and the overall popularity of the Jetsons at the time, why the show was canceled after just 2 seasons. More than likely, it was because the majority of the country saw the show, which aired on Sunday nights, in black and white. The show was ABC's first show to be produced and aired in color, but only 10% of the households had color televisions in 1962. So while those who were able to see the vibrant Jetsons cartoon world in color were hooked, the other 90% watching on black and white TVs saw a much duller and unengaging future world in black and white. And so it was pulled. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on how to draw Jane Jetson and Wilma Flintstone, as well as hundreds of other lessons.